Good. Ball. Good. Curveball. Good. Good weight on that. Good. Okay, secondary. Good. Ball. Good. Oh, my bad. Good. Yep. Oh, yeah, there we go. Good. That's a good one. Good. Two primary, then move up. Curveball. Oh, that's perfect. That's a great catch. Secondary. Good. Good rotation over there. Good. Curveball. Oh, that's all right. That's good. That makes it look a little bit better. Good. Curveball. Good. Fastball. Right. Good. That's what you do with that. Oh, yeah. That's good. Curveball. Yep. Make it still. One. Good. There we go. Good. Two in a row. Ball. Good. Let it go. Nice. Curveball. Last one. Catch it good. There we go. Good.